As night fades, the frozen eras awaken under a fragile light. Here, even the land moves slowly, shaped by endless winters. Even in the harshest cold, life must feed.
There is nowhere to hide, only time to sense danger.
Stealth becomes a tool of survival in open terrain.
The smallest creatures feel danger first, responding instinctively.
Even frozen ground releases quiet signs of life.
Every movement is measured, every step a question of survival.
Strength is found in unity against the unknown.
Even the largest must move carefully when danger is unseen.
Paths are created not by choice, but by survival.
Speed becomes instinct.
Light reveals beauty and vulnerability.
Fear lingers longer than movement.
In this frozen era, the hunter does not need to appear to be felt.
Their call dominates the frozen silence of few, a signal of control.
The presence of the hunter is enough to change every life.
Instinct finds shelter in the open. Coordination and instinct guide every movement of the pack. Instinct tells them to wait, to watch, to survive.
Strategy guides each hunter. Instinct guides every muscle.
Sudden movements reveal the invisible predator's presence.
The hunt has begun. Speed and strategy now collide.
Survival favors the vigilant, the swift, and the unseen. All creatures sense the changing forces before it arrives. The storm cloaks the land in white, challenging every life. Even the hunter must respect the storm's power. The storm tests the smallest as severely as the largest.
Patience becomes crucial when nature itself hunts alongside you.
Even the strongest feel the storm's weight.
Instinct guides the hunters, even when the world disappears around them.
Survival is patience, endurance, and awareness of every gust.
The frozen world has endured, leaving evidence of struggle and survival.
The hunters rest, maintaining balance with their prey and the land.
Leadership is measured, not aggressive, maintaining harmony.
Prey moves cautiously as the day gives way to night. Even predators pause, their forms blending with the fading light.
The universe watches as life endures in frozen lands. And this is how nature lives, breathes, and survives Turclan, from beginning to end.